Now we calculate the derivation of Fermi energy. The Fermi energy is the maximum energy of filled state by the electrons at a 0k is called Fermi energy. The maximum energy level. This is called as EF. This is known as EF. Consider now here we calculate the EF value calculated. The EF value calculated by using this method. Consider the energy levels between E and E plus dE below Fermi energy level as shown in figure. That means here this is the EF energy level. Below this EF energy level, we consider two energy levels E and E plus dE energy level. The concentration of electrons N is equivalent to integral 0 to EF. That means from this point to EF energy levels into G of E into dE into F of E, that is already derived this formula. Therefore, G of E into dE is equivalent to pi by 2 into 8 m by h square whole power 3 by 2 into e power of dE. That is equation 2. F of E is equivalent to 1 by 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by kT. That is equation 3. Now, by using these two equations, 2 and 3 in equation 1, then N is equivalent to integral 0 to EF pi by 2 into 8 m by h square whole power 3 by 2 into e power half into 1 by 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by kT into dE. At T is equivalent to 0 Kelvin. For E is less than EF. Here the E value less than EF. That means less value. Therefore, F of E is equivalent to 1 by 1 plus exponential of minus value. That means negative value by 0. Here T is equivalent to 0. So, that value is equivalent to 0. That is equivalent to 1 by 1 plus exponential of minus infinite. Here, exponent of minus infinite value is equivalent to 0. Therefore, f of e is equal to 1 by 1 plus 0 is equivalent to 1. Here we can substitute f of e value as 1. Therefore, n is equivalent to pi by 2 into 8 m by h square whole power 3 by 2 integral 0 to f e power half into dE. We integrate this equation, this e power half value, then that gives e power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 between limits 0 to EF. That is equivalent to pi by 2 into 8 m by h square whole power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 into EF whole power 3 by 2. Here 2 cancel, then that is equivalent to pi by 3 into 8 m by h square whole power 3 by 2 EF whole power 3 by 2. From this equation you calculate EF value. So we taken EF whole power 3 by 2 is equivalent to this 3 by pi into h square by 8m whole power 3 by 2 into n. Therefore, EF is equivalent to 3 by pi whole power 2 by 3 into h square. Here 3 by 2 cancel. Then h square by 8m into n power 2 by 3. Now substituting the values of H, M, and M values in this equation, it gives in terms of joules. We can rewrite this joules in terms of electron volts. Then we divide this entire term by E value. E is the charge of an electron. So EF is equivalent to 3.62 into 10 power minus 19 into n power 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 electron volts. This is the very important for problems, and this value is EF is equivalent to 3 by pi whole power 2 by 3 h square 8m into n power 2 by 3 is also very important for objective types, objective questions and problems. Okay.